Double wobble welding dimming. First, let us open the motor cover. There are 2 screws here, take it away from here. Here too. After opening the motor cover, we can see that this is the y-axis. The y-axis motor adjusts the red light up and down. If I want to adjust the red light up and down, I need to loosen 2 screws here and here. After loosening it, I twisted the motor. This red light will move up and down. This red light will move up and down.
我们先可以用个外角石嘴。
We can first use an outer cornerstone mount. Make a rough adjustment first. Tuning to these 2 endpoints. From this position, first roughly lock it. We need to lock both sides at the same time. Just lock it for a while first. Then the x-axis and x-axis are the same. There are 2 screws here, you can loosen them. After loosening it adjusts the left and right red light. When we turn the motor, the red light will move left and right. We are the same. First, adjust the red light roughly to this and the outer corner. Middle of blind spot. Then when tightening, wear both sides tightly at the same time. Then adjust the horizontal light. Be sure to change to a cutting test pendant. We need to make sure that this red light, only if it can come out from the small hole of the cutting wire nozzle. Approximate current location. His red dot is able to start from. If the small hole used to cut the deceased comes out, then it's okay.